Well, hey there, friend. I'm glad you're here today. I'm just at the edge of a fast, ever-pacing river, watching it carve its way forward without pause or plan. It reminds me that sometimes it's okay to let go of the map. Just trust the current and go with the flow. Every moment needs direction. Some are meant just to carry us. Brought a bit of wonder with me today. See what stories are lying inside. Well, pulling Melmetal here was way easier than collecting 400 candies. Thanks for being here with me. Whether it's your first time or you've been walking on the trail for a while now, I'm grateful for the company. Until next time, stay joyful, stay curious, and as always, may your packs be full of wonder.